Welcome to this presentation on rubrics as we continue our presentation on building effective online courses.
And for example, like here's one that we'll share with you, but you can come up with your own if you'd like. You can, for example, this one is on student writing at a 250-point scale. Yours may be 200 or 150 for a writing assignment. It could be 100 points, depending on what the size project it is. If it's a journal abstract or if it's a research paper, maybe more. And here are some of the feedback that I have on the actual rubric itself. What you've noticed probably in our course is that we are actually able to embed the rubric within our gradebook, which is great. And so it kind of saves the instructor extra time to have to attach a rubric such as this to an email back to a student so they can have, the feedback that they're looking for. Once again, this helps you then measure overall learning outcomes for your course. How did students do in the metacognitive area? You might have one for your presentations, and that would have a different rubric many of you have seen within the course. So for example, here on the group presentation rubric, looking at the purpose, the organization, the content, the language, the voice and tone, the visual aids, and then a little bit more information here of what those different areas are, kind of like explaining that. And some of you have even seen I've been able to do that on your voice threads, is to keyboard in some comments giving you feedback on your presentations and your individual slides. Make sure that if you haven't looked at those that you do, because that's good feedback for you to help you improve for your next presentation in the next courses. Alright, so we'll make a bunch of these rubrics available. We also like to see you be able to develop your own based on the type of assignments that you're developing, and there's tons of things that are available on the internet, of course. Of course, we have all these examples that we'll share with you in templates and things like that. So I look forward to seeing what you produce as you continue to develop and build your syllabus and putting this all together to turn in for your final project. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys produce.